back to my channel. Today I will start a kind of pilot episode for a series of 24 episodes about opening a Star Wars Advent calendar. My girlfriend bought it for me. At this point, thank you baby, I love you. It's really great. So this is a really huge package. As you can see, obviously 24 doors, and we will build with it a model of the X-Wing fighter. Really cool. So like I said, it will be 24 episodes. The next will be a little bit shorter just by opening the doors, and there will be a final episode where I will build all the parts together. So let's open door number 1. Let's look for it. Yeah, where is it? Here we have it. Door number 1. And what do we have? We have safety advice, really important. We have again safety notice with difficulty level 3, okay, and the manual for building it. Okay, that's important too, of course. And the last thing, a tool. What is it? That wasn't all. Okay, it's I don't know the English word for it. We call it Seitenschneider. To cut off things. Okay, really cool. Let's see what we will have tomorrow. Like I said, there will be 23 more episodes for opening the box, and a final 25th episode where I put all the parts together. Maybe, I don't know, I read there you can color it with stickers or you can paint it. I don't know what will be the final version, but it's really cool. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and we see you tomorrow. Bye.